Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please hit the red subscribe button below and the tiny little bell icon just beside the subscribe button so that you get notified when I upload my next video. Today I have created this very simple yet fresh, dewy Raksha Bandhan or Rakhi makeup look. I know you will not get a lot of time to do a lot of makeup and all, so I created this simple look so that you look put together but won't take a lot of effort. So if you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. For prepping my lips, I am using Vaseline lip balm and I am applying adequate amount on my lips so that when I apply the lipstick, it looks good. For my base, I am using this illuminating moisturizer, taking up on a palette, just this much, actually to sheer down the foundation. And then I am taking up this Nykaa Skin Shield foundation, okay, just taking up a little bit. I'm just taking this much and then using a clean brush I'm mixing them together and applying it directly on my face. You can see how glowy my skin is looking. You can also use some BB cream for this purpose, but I thought that on this day, on Raksha Bandhan, we don't need a lot of coverage, so I kept it skin-like. My skin is already looking dewy and fresh, but I have oily skin, so I have to set my under eyes. So for that I am using this Maybelline V-Face Duo powder under my eyes just to brighten up a little bit. And on my eyelid so that it does not look dull. Next I am filling my eyebrows using Maybelline Fashion Brow Duo pencil and I am just filling in the purse areas on my eyebrow. To add some dimension to my face, I am using this Sugar Contour de Force palette. You can see this is well loved. Just applying it on the hollows of my cheekbone a little bit. Using this stippling brush, I am just blending out what I have applied right now. Make sure you are blending it out upwards like this and don't leave a striking powder mark. Using a fluffy brush, I am picking up the contour shade and applying this to define my eyes a little bit, just on the outer corner and flicking it up. Just to define my crease a little bit. Then using a flat shredder brush, I am picking up this blush shade which is pink and the color pigment matches my outfit really well. I am just patting it on the lid to give it some rosiness. Using the same fluffy brush, I am giving it a nice blend so that there is not a lot of color. I am using the same bronzer shade on my lower lash line to give it some definition, and using the highlighter shade I am roughly highlighting my brow bone and my inner corner. Okay, this is a semi-festive makeup look, so I'm taking up this highlighter shade on my fingertips and just applying it in the middle to give it some sparkle. As I am going for a monochromatic look, I am taking up the same blush and this is very pigmented, so I'm just tapping it on my hand to dust off the most color and then lightly dabbing it on my cheeks. I am skipping highlighter altogether because I have oily skin and the foundation, the base is already glowy. So yeah, I'm skipping highlighter. I'm just highlighting the bridge of my nose and my cupid's bow because I think it needs some highlighting. Okay, that's almost our base is done. This is Faces Kannada Kajal pencil in the shade Metal Brown. I'm avoiding black to get some softer look. Okay, next I am curling my lashes. This is the Sugar Lengthening Mascara and currently I'm loving this because that's my almost whole look. Only I'm left with the lipsticks. On my lips I am using Faces Kannada crayon lipstick, mini crayons in the shade Divine Rose. And yeah. So guys, this is my final look. If you like this look, please give this video a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video and bye till my next video.